Hello, children. How are you? We already discussed first in earlier session introduction to IT and IT's industry. We already start in earlier session. Sorry. Uh, I hope you all are aware the some basic terms related to IT or IT's industries, and I hope you all understood those topics. Now we start a new topic in this unit, that it's a BPM industry in India. BPM industry in India. And what stands for a BPM? BPM stands for a business process management. Again I repeat, business process management. What is the business management process management function? Business management business process management in IT sector is a one type of a one sector, one type of a industry that has a important role to work on the India's growth. It has a important role. It work on important role India's growth. What type of a growth? India's growth. What type of a growth? And BPM industry contributing towards the country's gross domestic products and exports. It means BPM industry in IT sector, BPM industries are that sectors that work on the gross domestic products and then exports. They are contributing of the country growth with the help of a GDP means gross domestic products, and then exports products. Both the products they have do work, means they are the quality and then price and then cost. They have to do all these things to be processed in these industries. Means it has a important role to contributing the India's growth, because if the gross products domestic product improve, your growth has growth, and then exports will be a growth increase, then India's economy also improve. Economy also improve, or a growth will be India will be grow up according to a economy. So let's with the growth of, now the next topic, with the growth of the IT BPM industry. If the BPM industry will be grown up, BPM industry sectors will grown up with these three type of work, and then इससे क्या होगा, इकोनॉमिक एंड देन सोशल ग्रोथ ऑल्सो इंक्रीज ऑफ इंडिया. मीन्स आवर कंट्री इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल ग्रोथ ऑल्सो increase. It's also increase. And then again I repeat, BPM stands for business process management, and business process management in IT is a one industry sector that work on the India's growth, that works on the India growth. How the India growth will be improve, increase, grown up with the help of India's gross products, domestic products, and then exports product. I think you all are understand my concept. Now if the growth will be improve, increase, then the our country social and economic benefit also. Economic and social benefits, what type of benefits we have? Different type of benefit provide it. If the increase the growth, a different type of benefits, like a if social benefit, like in creating employment, raising a income level. If so many persons have a employment, and so many persons have a without employment, and they need a employ, means they need a work, though increase creating employment. And then according to creating a employment, and then those persons have a rising income level also increase. And then promoting exports. These are the, with these type of benefit, wide type of another so many benefits, I'm only discuss these three. There are the so many wide range of benefits. With these type of benefits, our country's social and economic level also grown up, and also economy. According to benefits, obviously country's economic and social level grow, and then it in this sector largest investment by the ventures and then capitalist, and if social and economic level increase in this sector, so many inventors and then capitalists also invest money. If the money will invest, then the productivity will be improved, productivity also improve, and largest investment by the investors. With the largest investment by the investor, IT BPM industry double in the term of a revenue and contribute of the India's GDP. GDP means gross domestic products. If the money level also increase in the industries, they have a money to create a productivity. They create a productivity, they have a domestic gross productivity will be improved, and then according to these improvement there are the so many benefits. Now the next concept, if the BPM industry have the so many benefits, according to that the BPM means business process management industry do work more and more, and according to more and more work, the BPO services industry do exceptionally well in India. Though according to that, with the help of a BPM industry, so BPO services also more well in India. Services also more well in India means exceptionally work for India. So if there are business BPO services industries with the help of a more revenue and the more income, so there the services also improve, then India has the so many benefits in the BPO services. So what are the advantages in the for BPO services? BPO services provide the invest in the high tech hardware and software. हाई टेक हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर मीन्स अगर BPM इंडस्ट्रीज़ में अब मोर रेवेन्यू एंड मोर इन्वेस्टमेंट होगी, मोर इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ साथ BPO सर्विसेज का वर्क भी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा, एंड देन BPO सर्विसेज इन्वेस्ट करेंगे हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर से, एंड हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर दे वर्क प्रॉपरली, तो सो मैनी सॉफ्टवेयर विल बी डेवलप, तो क्वालिटी ऑल्सो चेक विद द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर एंड देन different type of softwares, and deliver the best services. They follow the quality checking to ensure the error free and exceptional services. Sometimes different type of exceptional services they provide with the help of a hardware and the software. And BPO services encourages by the providing necessary infrastructure and logical support. If again I come back to my point, a BPM industry has the more BPM means business process management services will be more grown up, and with the revenue and the investments. According to that, the advantages of the BPO services for providing the necessary infrastructure and logically support means government of India is encouraging the BPO industries in India by providing a necessary infrastructure and logical support. Means by the government give the support for infrastructure and logical support. I hope you understood. And then BPO industry in India is highly developed and capable of delivering the number type of services and then quality means numerous types of services they will provide. Means if the management process will be a more high, and then BPO in India is highly developed and capable of delivering the number of type products, and then quality to be improved. We already discussed in the BPO they work on the quality or the cost of the products, and then means capability of delivering number type of products and quality to be improved. It means if okay, again I come to my back point, BPM services, BPM process will be improved, or revenue or investment will be grown up. According to that, BPO services industry give the well and do well more, uh, do more well for India. More well for India means government give the information. The BPO services provider investment in hardware and software. If the hardware and software to be invest, according to that, if the BPM service, BPM need a different type of software, so they provide a without error software. They provide with the help of a different type of software and the hardware, and encouraging the BPO by providing the necessary infrastructure and logical support by the government. By the government they provide so many type of infrastructure and logical support if they need in the, they need for a work फॉर BPM. BPM का वर्क करने के लिए BPOs को बहुत सारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और लॉजिकल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करती है गवर्नमेंट, तो ये भी एडवांटेज हो जाता है. एंड BPO इन इंडिया इज़ हाईली डेवलप्ड एंड कैपेबल ऑफ डिलीवरिंग द नंबर टाइप एंड क्वालिटी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ products they deliver. Now these are the advantages. According to that, these are advantages, the structure of the IT BPM industries. Now we have come to the point. Keep in mind कि BPM industries have the different type of category according to their parameter, with different type of industry parameter. They are the different type of categories. Different type of categories means they are the different type of parameters, or different type of parameters are just like sectors of organizing is serving, and then type as well as the range of offering the organization provides, and geographic spread of operations, revenue and the size of operations. Again, BPM industries are classified the following different parameters. Their sectors of organizing is serving, type as well as range of offering the organization provide, and the geographic spread of operations, and revenue and the size of operations. Means according to these parameters, there are BPM organizations. The different type of organizations, they work in our sector, in the India sector, BPM sector. These are multinational companies, and then Indian service provider companies, and then one is the global in-house centers. These are the different type of companies according to the parameters. Again I gave a point: multinational companies, Indian service providers, and then one is the global in-house centers. Global in-house centers, these are the different type of companies according to their different parameters classified. And then what is the work of the multinational companies? Multinational companies have their headquarters outside India but operate in multiple locations worldwide. Means there are so many companies have the headquarters in India and then multi locations in worldwide also, and they cater both the domestic and then global. They work on the domestic and global. It means they provide the service according to the parameter of serving. This sector of organization is serving in domestic level and then global level. This type of a parameter, these type of a organization work. Now the second one, Indian service provider. Indian service providers start with their operations in India. Means most probably, according to name, you also look at this, Indian service providers. Indian service providers started with their operations in India. Most probably these are organization work in India. Most of the organization have their headquarter in India as well as office in the many international locations, but their parameter, according to the parameter, ISPs have focused on serving only Indian clients पे ही focus करते हैं ये, means according to that they are the type range as well as type range offering the organization, means these are type of a BPM industry work on the, if they have a headquarters in India and as well work location in the worldwide or a global, but it's serving as a only Indian clients and Indian clients. This is the parameter of the BPM industries. Next, another one, I hope you understood. And then next, third one, type of global in-house centers. Global in-house centers means GIC. And there in this chapter again, students, in this chapter so many short forms you have to be learn the full form also, just like a GIC, BPM and the BPO, and then ISPs, MNCs. You also all these short forms to learn as a full form. I hope you understand. And then now come to my point. Global in-house center means GIC. These type of organization cater to the needs of their parent company only and do not external clients. Means again, organization cater to the need of their parent company only and do not external clients. Means these organization had to be work with that their parents company, but according to their need, means it's deal with the India and then other external clients, but according to their needs. Means in this organization model, according to the parameter, their operation in house and at the time advantage of expanding their global footprints for sometimes offering the opportunities for innovation. According to that, my point need of their parent company, then it will be a expand, otherwise it's work in their location, it work on their location. Means sometimes offering opportunities for innovation, that it will be a give the management process, and then sometime cost effective manners. Means this type of a work, if sometimes operations are, then it works in a global in-house center. Means expand in their global footprints for their some type of a work. Is that clear my point? Means these are type of means it work as a geographically. Means I discussed the parameter geographic, means according to the needs it will be expand global footprints. And then one is I discussed with you, Indian service provider, it work by the range and then geographical, and it work with the geographical. And then one is the multinational companies, it will be a serving. I discussed the different type of a parameter, serving, range and geographically, and as well as these are work for a revenue and then size of operation, and all these are organization in the IT BPM industry. We again and discuss again and again we say BPM industries are, these are organization, they work with the help of a BPO services. Means multinational companies work with the BPO, and then Indian service providers work with the BPO for the Indian growth, and then global in-house centers work with the BPO with the for their growth of India with the different type of tasks. Now these are the basic new terms we already discussed in earlier module, just like a BPO and then BPM, what the type of sectors, what the career in then BPO, and what are the organizations in the BPM. These are the new concepts. I hope you again read and then listen my instructions again and again. You understand the all topics. Now come to the next topic. There is the IT application. IT application, you all are aware now. These are the not on these are the not a new topic, they are the common topic, you all are aware. These are the common topic, you all are aware for these topics. Now everyone know IT means computer, information technology. We already discussed in starting in this unit. What is IT means information technology. Information technology developed nation. Technology has become a part of everyday life. As part of a everyday life means everyday life, you can observe computer use in every day, in every field. We all are use now. You all are aware computer, yeah, IT, information technology we use at home, workplace. So many times we have listened to music, watching a movies, playing games and chatting and then send messaging, billing system, banking, in booking tickets and bank operations, and many more fields, many more applications there use computer in these. So many applications, so many school also, you all are school students, and we are using we are using IT means in computer use in a computer lab, and sometimes to be a for function we find out so many type of musics, and then combine the some musics and multi songs will be a remix. We use a computer for that purpose, and so many tasks, so many fields, so many work we use. Each and every field, each and every application we use computer means information technology, we use technology. Now all are aware. Now one by one we discuss these topics at home. IT in home. अगर आप IT इंफॉर्मेशन ना यूज़ कर रहे हैं होम में, मीन्स आप कंप्यूटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं होम में, अ कंप्यूटर यूज़ इन home. You have a personal PC, you have a laptop or a personal computer, use a work at home. 2. What type of a task to be done in your home? Household accounts means if you have a father, sometimes to be your mother, to be a some calculation to be work with the help of a computer. Household accounts to be maintained. Play movies and play games, and serving the web means sometimes to be find the homework or some type of a creative innovations, ideas to be find out from the net. Serving web, and then PC with the CD-ROM drive and speaker, you play the audio CDs, you play music, movies. According to the range of hobbies, you attend sometimes to be a training courses, and many more work with your personal computer. Means so many tasks you, as you know कि हम होम में अपना कंप्यूटर किस किस टास्क के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. And this is a simple, I hope you understand. And then next topic we discuss IT in library. Now all are aware, many libraries are computerized. So many tasks we perform with the help of a computer in library. Just like each book has a barcode associated. You all are aware. So many books are have a in front page or a last page has a barcode reader. Barcode associated. With the help of a barcode associated, we are easy to track the books and availability of a specific book. If you have already store all information, all type of books in the computer software, in computer library software, so it will be so easy to keep track of books, and then a specific book will be available in your library and used to issue and return the book. That's why we use a computer in a library. Library has a magnetic strip attached to it. लाइब्रेरी में एक मैग्नेटिक स्ट्रिप होती है दैट इज़ डीएक्टिवेटेड बिफोर द बुक्स कैन बी बोरोइंग. व्हेन बोरोइंग मीन जब आप बुक बोरो करते हो तो उसके बाद वो डीएक्टिवेट भी हो जाती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैग्नेटिक स्ट्रिप. मीन्स सो मैनी टास्क टू बी परफॉर्म विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर इन अ लाइब्रेरी. मीन्स लाइब्रेरी में भी कंप्यूटर यूज़ होता है. एंड देयर आर द सो मैनी अगेन told you कि IT in at a workplace, IT in education. This is your home assignment कि at workplace mean your father if you are in any office, so their work office, they what type of a task they perform. And then in education, you are a student in education, what type of a task you are using computer in education. And this is your home assignment. You write the some points, 2 to 3 points to be according to these workplace. And then in education, and sometime IT use in a business, IT use in defense also, defense. And IT use in bank, IT use in bank. This is your assignment, home assignment. You all are write a 2 to 3 points according to these applications, these field. We use a computer. IT means information technology use in a workplace, education, defense, and then bank. And in communication also, अगर आप communicate कर रहे हैं उसमें कैसे आपको use in communication. आप कंप्यूटर कम्युनिकेशन में कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. राइट 2 to 3 पॉइंट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. ओके, आई होप you understand all these topics and review this explanation again and again and understand the some new topics and revise. And I give this some questions also. Write down in your fair copy, and study material also I provide. You read the study material sincerely. Okay, thank you so much, students.